We have to select our answer based on the given two statement. Whereas statement 1 is given us atoms are electrically neutral as they contain equal number of positive and negative charges. This statement is correct because it's known that atoms are electrically neutral because they have equal number of electron and proton, whereas the proton will have a positive charge and electron will have negative charge and they will get balance each other. So we can say the statement 1 given here is a correct statement. Let us check statement 2. Statement 2 is given as the atoms of each element are stable and emit their spectrum. This statement is partially incorrect. While atoms of each element emit characteristic spectrum due to electronic transition between energy level, they are not always stable. Some atoms, particularly isotopes of certain elements, may be unstable. We can say that as a radioactive decay as well. So the stability depends on the specific arrangement of proton and neutrons in a nucleus. So the statement 2 given here is wrong. So based on that, we can say option A, statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect will be the correct answer for this question.